Oh, hey guys, I'm doing a room tour because last time I moved I did one, and I'm not going to do one of the whole apartment yet because it's not really ready. We're still waiting for a couch, and our kitchen's kind of okay, our bathroom's okay, but the other two rooms, this one is finally all together. So first off, this is the cabinet from my old house, or not a cabinet, it's like a dresser, and it originally came from my grandparents' house, and after they passed away I really felt like this piece was calling to me, and I needed to have it as kind of a way to remember them, so I really do love it. It was made, I believe, probably they got it right after they got married, and that would have been in the 1940s. It was made in a factory in North Carolina that was burnt down and they stopped making furniture. Okay, so right there is the nightstand, and that's from Pier 1, and it's about 3-4 years old. And this is our bed, all my stuff on it. And this, we got this bed frame, I painted it, but it's originally from IKEA. And this is Martha Stewart bedding that we got from my mom for our wedding present. So kind of looks really cool, like it's out of a magazine. And then same as the last house, I have the 18707, my hometown zip code, and then the President Obama pillow. Although I've been kind of mad at him lately, so I've actually been putting the pillows like that. It's a nice little lamp, and the cats hang out. Originally our idea was to put these two little cabinets next to my desk, but they didn't really fit, so this is just supposed to be my kind of little space, and it's all my nail polish stuff right now, although I'm pretty sure that's going to change. Second shelf is makeup I'm not really using right now, and the bottom shelf is like nail stuff. Okay, then we have the closet, and at this point it was really exciting, but now it's just kind of messy again, and David's stuff is back there, and my stuff is over here because I come in here way more often. And then all my shoes on there. And then we've got two IKEA bookcase. For everyone who knows IKEA well, you'll recognize these. They're the Billies. I think you can buy them for like $50 each at IKEA. And they just hold all of our books, obviously. It's a bookcase. And then this is what I'm so excited about because we finally got it finished today. Okay, so this is really the whole reason why I'm doing the room tour, actually. This is my vanity slash workspace slash whatever. It's me. It's mine. This place is for me. So I've got my jewelry on here. I always wanted to buy one of these, and now I finally have the space for it. Standing mirror. Mini brushes that are too short to fit in here where the tall brushes are. And then I have all my lipsticks, lip gloss. And then this mirror, I won't tell you about the trials and tribulations it took to put up, but let's just say it's always good to assume the IKEA directions are not going to tell you everything you need to know. And then these little lamps are also from IKEA, and it just really helps with lighting because without them, it's pretty dark over here, and you can't really do your makeup in the dark unless you want to look like a clown. So yeah, that's pretty much it over there. I love it. And this is one of our chairs. There's a chair at my parents' house I'm actually going to eventually bring here, but as for right now, I've just been bringing the kitchen chairs into here. Oh, and I have all the cases like categorized by subject. So here's all the fiction, and then down at the bottom is like reference, so dictionaries, German stuff, other things like that. Oh, and also oversized books. And then over here is like the sociology, history slash women's studies books. These are all my how-to and craft books, and like etiquette stuff, style stuff, makeup stuff. And then these are cookbooks, diet, exercise books, and then what I would call leadership books. Those are like all updated stuff. And then down at the bottom, this in my mind should really be over there, but it didn't fit, and it just ended up working out like this. This is memoirs, essays, biographies, and poetry. So I would say mostly this, obviously this is probably more shared stuff between mine and David's books, whereas this stuff is mostly mine because we study totally different things in college. So, oh, one more thing. This little shelf is where I've been putting all my makeup, so now it's kind of all categorized, except not very well. So here's stuff. I'm the type of person where I like to have my makeup out all the time because it doesn't make sense to me to have it in drawers, because if it's in drawers, I'm not going to use it. I just know I'm not going to use it. So I like to have my makeup out. There's not really any specific categories, so I'm not going to explain how. Once we get all, I'm like holding like a digital SLR, like it's a little point and shoot, so I look kind of ridiculous right now. Maybe you could see it in the mirror. Yeah, it's really heavy. Anyway, so once we get the whole house set up, I'll do a room, like a house tour, but until then, this is the best you're going to get. But this is like the nicest, most organized room. So it's the best I've got at this point. So thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you later.